Can't sleep, huh?
Yeah, me neither. Come here. I want to talk to you.
It was my voice who left.
Hey, look at me.
Sometimes I think it arrived on paper.
Hey, honey.
We wanted to write.
I want you all to be winners. Disappear into your imagination. Nobody's in the room but you and that pen.
I love you, and whatever you want to do, I'll support it.
That's it. When there are no words for the pain, let your imagination change what you know to plan. How many miles does it take to swim to a self?